Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Alaa and I teach Levantine Arabic language. This is going to be a very quick video. I have an announcement. I finally have decided and created a time plan and everything for group lessons. So they're going to start on Tuesday, November 30th. They're going to be twice a week. If you are interested, send me an email. My email address is alaa.arabictutor@gmail.com. All my information should be underneath the video, and there's my website. It has the prices and everything. The group lessons are going to be twice a week at 5 p.m. Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5 p.m. Pacific time. For absolute beginners, we will go over all the basics. Maybe within the second month, you will be able to hold a conversation. This is what usually happen when I teach my students. So to expect what results you're gonna get. I'm gonna add some videos underneath this video to see. I have some examples of me teaching my students, like actual lessons. So you can see that if you are curious. So if you are interested, let me know. My email address is alaa.arabictutor@gmail.com. This is how you would sign up. Just send me an email and I will read it and add you to the group. So if the time does not work for you, if the days don't work for you, if any of this does not work for you, but you are interested in group lessons, please let me know in the email and I will figure something out for you. Maybe someone else is the same and I'll put you together. So just communicate with me and let me know what's stopping you and we will figure something out together. So don't worry about it. Just send me an email, let me know. And yes, and I am very excited to see you all. This is actually a deal. The prices you will see in my website, it's a deal going on. They're actually slightly cheaper than other groups, so they're not going to be like this forever. It's just like a holiday price, and they're going to go slightly higher pretty soon. So sign up really like right now. Don't wait, don't delay, and consider it as your New Year resolution and let's start. So I hope to see you all and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much and please subscribe.